Hi everyone, this is a track on Webots simulator for line follower robots. The design of the track is made in TinkerCAD, and I will explain how to do it using basic shapes. This is a track layout in TinkerCAD. This continuous line is 2 mm wide at 1/10 scale on a 2000 by 2000 mm work plane. We started using a black cylinder measuring 80 by 80 millimeters. To improve the results, it is necessary to use a maximum of 64 size of the cylinder. Now we will place a 76 mm diameter cylinder in hole mode, right in the center. In the same way, you also use the maximum number of the side of the cylinder. The height of the track will be 0.01 millimeters. By grouping these two shapes together, we get a 2 mm wide ring. We will place a 40 by 40 mm cube in hole mode to create a 3/4 segment of the ring. Before grouping these shapes together, we'll copy them to create a 1/4 segment of the ring. For this, it's necessary to add an equal cube and duplicate one of the sides of either of the two cubes. Now, we group the shapes to get the two necessary segments. We rotate the first segment 45 degrees counterclockwise. It is necessary to rotate the short segment 45 degrees clockwise. Now, we can join both segments. For a better result, we will leave a small overlap at the join. We copy this shape and proceed to rotate 180 degrees. We move this new pair of segments until we can place them in the necessary position. Adjust the position until same amount of overlap is left between all segments. We group everything, and that it is. Now we have a mini track finished. For this example, we remove one track and place the other in the center. We rotate the track 90 degrees and proceed to export in OBJ format. In the compression file, we can rename the track to our liking and then unzip it in the location we choose. Now we can import our track in Webots and place the robot we need to follow the track line. In my case, I have used my own line follower robot. In Webots, you can add details and play with lighting to get interesting results. In the description of this video, I leave the link of the track files. Soon, I will make other videos to show how I have made my line follower robots and how other objects can be designed and added in Webots. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like my work and see you soon.